draw, and learn! Hello, kids! Look at here! Beautiful rainbow! Rainbow, clouds, and stars! Let's color it with each other! What's the first color of rainbow? Yes, red color! That's right! The first line of rainbow is red color. Please subscribe! Do you know when the rainbow is coming in the sky? Oh, you're right! Excellent! After raining, the rainbow appears in the sky. Continue with me. You're so great! Awesome! Okay, what is the next color of rainbow? Do you know? Yes, you're right. Orange color. Orange color. You're coloring the next line of rainbow with orange color. Let's do it with me. Amazing! I like it. Do you like rainbows? Of course you like it. The rainbow is so beautiful and colorful. Okay, what is the next color? I think yellow color. You're right. Yellow color is for the third line of rainbow. Yellow color. Do you like yellow color? It's so beautiful. Do you know the next color of rainbow? What's the next color? Do you know? Yes, you're right. Green color. Green color is the fourth line of rainbow. Green color. It's so beautiful. Continue with me. You're so great. I'm sure your coloring is so beautiful. What is the next color now? Aha! Blue color. Let's color it with blue color. Awesome! Do you like blue color? I like it very much. It's the color of our sky. And the last color. What is it? Do you know? Yes, you're right. Purple color. Let's do it with purple color. Awesome! Purple color. Purple color is the last color of rainbow. We finished the rainbow. Now we want to color it the clouds. They are smiling. Our clouds are so happy. We have 2 clouds here. Now we want to color it with blue color. Light blue color. Let's do it with me. Please subscribe our channel. You're so great! Awesome! Now we want to color it the next cloud. It's so happy! Continue with me! Please subscribe our channel. Light pink color. Now I want to color the stars with yellow color. Amazing! I like the stars very much. They're so shiny in the sky. Do you like them too? That's great! How many stars we have here? Let's count them with each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 stars in our sky here. Finished! Awesome! That's so beautiful! If you liked our video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye!